What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying out a new product, and we have our first channel sponsor. I had a company called Shine Armor reach out to me about a week and a half ago and said they had stumbled across the channel. They wanted to see if I'd want to collaborate with them and try out some of their product on some of my cars, and they sent me a bottle of their ceramic coating. There you go, Shine Armor. So we're going to be trying this stuff out. So you guys have seen this car in the background a couple times, I know, in videos. I haven't really talked about it, but I have a 2003 Cobra Mustang, and she's dirty. She's real dirty. So what we're actually gonna do today is we're gonna give this thing a quick bath, get it all cleaned up, and then we're gonna be trying out this ceramic coating from Shine Armor, putting it on the car, see what we think, and give a little review on this product. Alright guys, so we have finished the ceramic coating. Turned out really good. I'm actually really happy with the product. So here's just a quick run around. If you've seen the video before, it was pretty dirty and dusty, and the ceramic coating definitely helped get some of the shine back, restore a lot of the color, and give it some depth and whatnot. So far, very happy with the product. There's a good little side shot. But yeah guys, it came out really good. Definitely would recommend giving it a shot if you guys are looking for some detail stuff to add to your arsenal. Can't go wrong with trying out some new brands. I'd never used them before then, and definitely will be talking to them some more about trying to do some more content with them on some of their other products. So yeah, really happy with it. That's a quick little walk around. So just one last thing, when you are doing the ceramic coating, you definitely need to put some elbow grease in it. Like when you do the application, you literally spray it on a microfiber, and then you wipe it on there evenly. You let it set for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then afterward you come back through with a clean microfiber and you just polish it up. You do need to put your elbow into it some. At first I was like, man, this isn't doing it, but that was on me. As soon as I actually started, putting a little bit more pressure, it started showing and added a lot more depth to the color. So I would definitely recommend them. I will have their link in the description. Like I said, it's shinearmor.com. The ceramic coating stuff I used that they sent me, I believe is normally $24.99 on the website. I think they have it on sale right now for $17.99. And again, this is what it is. Sure, I got that in focus or in frame. But yeah, so that's that, guys. Go give them a shot. Go give them a like, give them a shout on Instagram, whatever. But yeah, stay hungry. If you don't success, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.